guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Raya and today I'm here from my car filming for you my lunch. I was about to go do my nails. I have an appointment in a couple of maybe an hour or so, and I was starving, so there's a Chick-fil-A next where I go, and I wondered why it's not film myself eating some Chick-fil-A. So here we go. Chick-fil-A. Okay, I got myself number one chicken deluxe. It has everything on it, and of course a couple of Chick-fil-A sauce. It's my absolute favorite. If I ordered like a milkshake, I'm not sure if people do this, but I like to dip my fries in the milkshake. Here is it. Oh my god, it's yummy. The waffle fries. It's my favorite. I really like to come here to do my nails just to go eat some Chick-fil-A before I go. It was stormy and raining the other day. Oh my god, I just really love how crispy the chicken is there. It's really yummy. They always ask you when you make it how many sauce you want. And I always say like 4, maybe 8 this time. Like, well, 8. Like, yeah, I saved it for later. And their sauce is so good. They're so good. Everything. I'm just trying the pickles and the salad. It's really yummy. I quite like it. I really like this very much. I love my nails done, but posted before. What we're gonna post after my Instagram. Sauce, my fries. We have been out for a very long time now. It's been very stormy, very foggy, very cold to go anywhere. I live on the ocean front, so everything is kind of open. Even the cafe has like open roof. Almost 3 days ago. Really happy with it. So, try this. Put your milkshake. You have some whipped cream here. Take your Chick-fil-A fries and dip it in. I know people will say gross, but it's just. Oh my god. This is a dream. Tastes amazing. When I first used to go dating with my husband, I used to go with him to restaurants. Like, what do you want? Like, can you please bring me just one big fries and vanilla milkshake? And I was like, what's up with that? I'm like, I'll show you. And I spent the whole time just dipping my fries to my vanilla shake. Those are just the old habit. Oh my god. It's way too good. But of course, I'm going to quite a lot of fries in here, and they're pretty yummy and fresh. Oh my god, I'm so full. Where's my cover? Shake today with vanilla. Yum. So yummy. Such a beautiful day. I'm going to go do my nails. Then maybe later on I'm going to do some grocery, running some errands, and then I guess that's it for today. Maybe relaxing, watch a movie. There's a couple of nice movies I want to watch. I really want to watch Beetlejuice on Halloween. I didn't get the chance, but hopefully I will soon, probably tonight. I promise myself every October, November, December, always watch great movies. Just give me that nostalgia feeling. And that's all for now. I love you. I ate too fast. I know I ate too fast. That's all. Mwah. Love you. Please, just really quick, Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm really grateful for the past support on my past videos. Means the world to me. Thank you so very much, and I hope we can grow together. I'm just a little bit baby here. I'm growing with you guys, so whoever is like there to like and already subscribed, I'm so thankful. And yeah, that's all. Mwah. Love you. Bye.